First off, go ahead and open up your back seat so you gain access to back here. I already have the trunk open. Oh. And this is how they go. This one here is the passenger one. You see on your arm, you'll find where there's a tear, or not tear, but a mark. It's the best way to find out where it's supposed to go. Here's your little clip. You just pop this little bad boy loose. Well, kind of hard to do one-handed, but you see how it works. It just comes off. Anyway, your passenger side one, this is on your driver's side of the car. This is the one that needs to be on top. And what I mean by passenger side is for this guy. All you need to do to take that thing off is a pair of one of these or lock pliers. You get it on here like that. Torque that fucker up there. Trunklet has to be open in order for it to work. And that's how you get it off. To get it on, make sure that's there. Then take this, which is just your tire tool, probably comes with your car. And it's gonna be like this. Of course, this isn't gonna be like this when you do it. It's gonna be more like this will be turned up like this. So you have to come in on this piece and torque that thing into place. Now with this, it's not enough to get the job done, so you'll need a hammer and just smack it on that side. It'll pop right into its track. That's for normal tension, that's for higher tension. Your choice. Same thing with doing it from the driver's side. Same steps I showed you. And just remember, the passenger side hook, this is always on the top.